So this was not meant to be a review video, it was just meant to be a short video showing you how baffling it is to me that my Nokia is still surviving to this day. It's really baffling that I dropped this phone so many times. I literally dropped this everywhere. You can see how poor this condition has been. I use this phone without a cover or a screen protector for so many years now, and although I've switched to other phones, I still have this side phone for me in case of emergency, and it works. And its camera has gotten some dust inside it. It's got some dust, but it still works, and the front camera is even in better condition. The display, however, is not in the very good condition as it's having screen retention problems, and I made a video about it, how to solve screen retention, and the fix works for this phone as well. The software is also not very good right now. Although Nokia is very consistent in delivering updates, the phone is still not very good at handling them. Because it's gotten old, it sometimes gets stuck in a boot loop if you have your storage full. And that is my review of Nokia in 2021, and that was the update.